Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Today we will see how we can buy some Telegram services from this best SMM panel. For that you need to go to this bestsmm.com and you need to sign in it with your mail and password. So let me sign in it first and then it will redirect me into this page. This is our dashboard, and from here, before ordering something or buying some services, you need to add your balance over there. And how you can add your balance? You need to go to your add fund section, and from here you will get lots of option over there, and that is Bcash, Rocket, Nogod, credit card, debit card, Visa, Mastercard, Payoneer account, or Indian debit card, Paytm, Bcash, AirTM. These are all options. You can go with any of the option, whatever you are easy to go. You can select and you can add your fund over there. So if you missed our previous videos, then you can visit our YouTube channel, YouTube BDIT domain channel, and you will get all those videos over there, and that are free, guys. So you can visit our channel and you'll get all those videos. So yeah, definitely you need to add your fund over there before ordering something. So let me show you. This is our order section, and today we will go with some Telegram services. For that you need to go to this category section, right? So let me select this category section and I will select Telegram services over there. As you can see that I have selected this Telegram services in this field, in this category field, and if you missed our Facebook services or Instagram services, TikTok services, how we can buy those services, then you can visit our channel. You will get those videos also. I have shown all the procedures for this best SMM panel, how we can add our funds, what services they are providing, and also how we can buy services for Facebook followers, views, likes, or Instagram followers, TikTok views, impressions, likes, or Facebook page likes, everything. Also YouTube monetization, likes, views, and YouTube subscriber, how we can buy from this best SMM panel. I have showed all those things. So if you miss those videos, go to our channel and you will get all those videos. Now you can see that I have selected Telegram services over there. Now let's go to our services section and let me see what services they are providing us.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.